91 bathroom TV.
TechNow.
TechNow.
Hey guys, it's Kevin here again, and today we are doing a special unboxing of the older Google Pixel XL. So guys, it has been a minute trying to get this. I've been looking at this phone ever since Google released it back the year before in 2016. And the reason why I really wanted it because of the universal praise it got and how it is the fastest Android phone there is. Well, not really now because of, the Google Pixel 2, but it's one of the most fastest phones out there and how it doesn't slow down. And I was really searching for a phone that didn't slow down on me. Snapchat is horrible on the phones. I have over 100 apps on my phone and it always slows down my Android phones. So if I could get some phone out there that was compatible with all the Google services I used and was very fast and fluid and took great pictures, that would be the best thing ever. So I actually bought it on Project Fi because they're offering a $120 discount and then trade in with your older phone as well. I'm trading in a Nexus 6P, my mom was Nexus 6P because she just got the Moto X4. Okay, it's a beautiful, lovely box here. So let's just get this out the way. So in the box here, let me see if everything's, let's not show that. I believe that just comes out just like that. Sorry guys, feel me in a weird area. Okay, just like that, and it's white. Yeah, so I just got it with Project Fi. I'm financing it as well, and it was a $120 discount, and then the trade-in with my Nexus 6P. It was having some, I would say, shutdown issues on the Nexus 6P that it was shutting down, I would say, like at 100% after use for like heavy use. No, like just like moderate use on it. Like I would make a phone call and it would shut off doing the phone call, my mom was stating. So that's something that I didn't really want her to go through, so I told her to get the the Moto X4, which she bought and she likes. And then I'm gonna trade in the 6P because I can't really sell it back as used because I don't want someone else having the same issue that I had. And in fact, the reset didn't fix it. So this is it right here. This is nice, okay. And then this is cool. This is where we have the AC adapter with the USB-C. And this is black. If you had the blue version or the silver, it would have it as well. Okay. We have the long, I believe this is a 2 feet USB-C to C cable as well in here. Then we have the Pixel XL, the beautiful golden phone here. Let me see if I can just take this out. Okay. So here is the Pixel XL. Nice, very, I would say, very light. But not as light as, it has some heft to it. Like some heft to it, but it's light. I would say not as light as the iPhone 6s that I was using prior to this. Has the getting started guide, warranty and all that stuff here, as long with the SIM eject tool. And then we also have the regular USB to USB-C adapter. And then we have this nice cool little adapter right here, which is from USB-C to USB Type A for transferring data from a different device. So that's gonna be basically it, guys. I hope you guys take care and continue to watch my review about the Google Pixel XL.